Hey folks, we're down here in the garden, and it's probably been about 6 days since we laid the plastic, and I already got half this row here with squash, and I planted it with a the variety is called Fortune. And after we get through this, I'll take you in there. I got some growing in the high tunnel, and I'll show you it. It looks really good. But that's a 39-day squash. That means when it comes up in 39 days it should produce a fruit. And so I ran out right there and it started raining, that's why I didn't get back on it. I did this a couple days ago. So now I'm gonna go with a gold prize. It's a straight neck squash, and these are left over from last year, and it's a 42-day. And so when you kind of do it this scale, you like to you know, get different varieties at different dates. That way you kind of stagger naturally without having to worry about when you're going to plant. So if you remember from last year or just the other day, now this is made to plant, you know, live plants, but I also use it to plant seeds. You can see how muddy it was the other day, how this dirt's on here. But I use it to plant seeds too, so I just put it in there, and I don't put it real deep like I do a plant, and I put a couple of seeds in there, and it plants them and covers it and everything. And I can see there's some good moisture down in that. So I usually put about 2 to 3 in each hill, and that way, just in case. That one I accidentally put 4. So. And we like a straight neck squash. We don't grow any crooked neck. We kind of used to, but straight neck outsells it like 20 to 1. And you get a more uniform slice when you cut it up to cook it. We just like it better anyway. All right, we'll get this planted, and I'll meet you when we get through, when we start the next variety. Okay, we didn't make it to the end of this row, and I got just a small pack, also left over from last year. It's a multi-pick, and I've grown this lots of years, and it's really good. It's a really good squash. But it's a 50-day squash, so I got a 39, a 42, and then I'm starting with a 50. So it's the same thing. I just put a couple in there, and hopefully it'll finish out this row. I think I got one more variety that I can plant today that I've got, and I want to get this done tonight in case I have to order some more. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. I want to get 2 whole rows of squash, a row of zucchini, and that'd do us real good. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough to do 2 rows. So I'll meet you at the next variety too. Okay, my next variety is called a super pick, and it's a cousin to the multi-pick. It's just got a where the super pick is, I mean the multi-pick's maybe that long, a super pick's about 2 inches longer, just have a longer neck, but it's the same cousin, same disease resistance and everything. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this row, so we'll see how far we get. And of course it's the same. I'm gonna put about 2 or 3 in each one, and hopefully come up. Now I bought these seeds this year. And I'm putting apart about, I don't know, 2 foot. Might be a little close, but I like them to kind of grow together and get a good mat. And I feel like I dropped a seed. We'll finish this out and see how far we get. Okay, so it only went halfway, so I might have to order some more seeds, which is all right. I got to order some pumpkin seeds anyway, and I'll just get another pack, and that way I'll have all my decks cleared of squash seed. I ain't gonna carry over any next year, but I'm gonna take you in there and show you that one that we planted in the high tunnel, or the several that we planted in the high tunnel, and we'll come back out and try to do the zucchini on that next row over there. So let's go in there and look at that one squash. Okay, we're in the high tunnel number 1, and if you remember, I planted this probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and look how it's done. And look at all this squash in here. This looks really good. We might have to pick tomorrow. This one right here is really showing out too. I got a little one right there just coming up. I want this some weeding right there. But this is that fortune, that first bunch I did there. So, like I said, it's a 39-day squash and it does really good. We had one cucumber come up. This is a cucumber here. I just pulled the leaf off. So, I tell you, it makes me want to put more high tunnels up and grow everything in high tunnel. Probably a lot better. But anyway, let's go out there and, well, you can't plant beans in it. It'd be hard. I guess you could plant beans, but it'd take up a lot of space. But anyway, here we go. We're rambling. Let's go out there and talk about what kind of zucchini I'm going to plant, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm one row over, and I'm on the north garden, by the way. So the zucchini I'm going to plant is called a gnocchi. Is that how you pronounce that? And I forgot to look at the days to harvest. But most of these are all new. We're trying new zucchini this year because last couple of years we've had kind of bad luck. So this is supposed to be for our area. And that's why I'm planting the different kinds to see which one do best. This is called a Grinch. And then we have some zucchini elite. It's supposed to be really good. And then I have some easy pick green, which is these are left from last year. So I'm gonna get these in there and we'll go. I'll show you when we get to the end. Same as the squash, put 2 or 3 in there. And I want to do this whole row. I don't know if I have enough, so I might have to order some more of those. So we'll see you when we stop down there. Okay, I got I'd say a good 2/3 of this row ran out, so I needed a little small pack to finish this up. So I'll order them too. I should have showed you the seeds. I had a bright purple with white spots on it. Then I had a red. Then these right here were pink. So it's kind of interesting. But anyway, I'm gonna go up here. I started another row the other day before it started raining on peppers. Let's go up there and look at those and see how they're doing. Okay, this is the 5th row from the high tunnel and 4th row in, and I'm gonna make this a pepper row. I've ran out of room in my high tunnel for peppers because of the bell pepper. The way they sent those bell peppers kind of screwed me up a little bit. So I've got 6 here. I planted the other night before it started raining. They look really good. And I think I got 18 more jalapenos here that I'm gonna plant. No, not 18 more. I got 12 more I'm gonna plant tonight since it's overcast. Give them a good start, but I ain't gonna film that. You've seen it before, but I just want to point out my pepper row here. And I'm gonna put some other peppers out here and I'll give you a tour when we get them all planted. But anyway, I'm gonna put some more in there tonight. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. Appreciate all our subscribers. Appreciate you helping us grow. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. Won't be long. We'll probably be at the farmer's market. Hope to see everybody there. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you down here in the farm next video.